Welcome students. Today we are going to understand the fine difference between the prepositions of direction. To, at and towards. These are the prepositions of directions which are used in similar situations. So what is the difference and how to use them correctly? Let us understand. To, it shows destination. It shows destination. Destination means the place where you want to reach. He went to school. He went to Delhi. He went to school, he went to Delhi. At. It shows aiming or targeting something or hitting. The idea of hitting or aiming is given by at. Now towards. Let us understand one example. He threw a stone at me. He threw a stone at me. It simply means the stone hit me. It means the stone hit me. Towards. It shows the direction. It shows the direction. Example, he threw a ball towards me. He threw a ball towards me. It simply means he threw the ball in my direction. It means he threw the ball in my He threw a ball in my direction. That is the idea. If we say he threw a ball towards me, it means he threw a ball in my direction. Suppose if we say he threw a ball at me. He threw a ball at me. It means the ball hit me. If we say he threw a ball at me, it means the ball actually hit me. If we say he threw a ball to me, if he threw a ball to me, it simply means the ball actually reached me, but it did not hit me. When we play with ball, then what we do? We throw the ball to our friend. Okay? We don't throw the ball at our friend. At our friend means for the sense of hitting. So that is not the idea when we play. So I hope you have understood the difference. Let us have a quick revision. To shows the destination. He went to school. He went to Delhi. At shows aiming or hitting. He threw a stone at me. That means the stone hit me. Towards shows the direction. He threw a ball towards me. That means he threw the ball in my direction. He threw a ball at me, it means the ball actually hit me. He threw a ball to me, it means the ball actually reached me and did not hit me. Now let us understand one more important pair of prepositions of direction and understand their fine difference. This is off. Off is a preposition of direction. Out of and from. Let us understand the fine difference between their uses. Off gives us the idea of leaving the contact with the surface. The idea of leaving the contact with the surface. Off gives us the idea of leaving the contact with the surface. The ball fell off the table. Now out of. It's the opposite of into. It's the opposite of into. It gives us the idea from inside to outside. Idea of from inside to outside. Out of is the opposite of into. It gives us the idea of from inside to outside. He took a rupee out of his pocket. He took a rupee out of his pocket. Now see another preposition, that is from. From gives the sense of departure from a point. Example, he was transferred from the office. Now let us have a quick revision of, out of, from. All the three are prepositions of directions. Off gives us the idea of leaving the contact with the surface. The ball fell off the table. Out of, it gives us the idea of from inside to outside. And it is also the opposite of into. He took a rupee out of his pocket. Now from, it gives us the sense of departure from a point. He was transferred from the office. Now with this we come to the end of our topic, the prepositions. If you are a new student, If you want to watch the previous videos of prepositions, then you can go to the descriptive box of the videos. You can get the link from there and you can see the previous videos of prepositions. This is the last part. So in this way we have finished this topic in 5 parts. So if you like the video, you can share it with your friends, you can subscribe, and you can also ask your friends to subscribe the videos. Okay, thank you.